What's up? We're back at Idiot Planet, except this time we're going to be serious for a minute. We're going to do a Nerf gun review on the Nerf Maverick. First of all, the way you hold it's very nice. It's got good grip. It's got implanted. It's shaped for your fingers specially. Quick shooting. If you can see this, just hang on. You reload very simply. You simply pull this back and it's ready to shoot again. Let me install these. Good gun. Once you need to reload, you just simply hit this button, toss it out. You can get all the bullets. Simply push them in. It's a nice gun. It's pretty cool too if you wanna, cause you can. And so if you want a nice, good, accurate firing gun, I'd choose this. It's very powerful. We'll show you how far it can go without sinking. Here you go. Ready? It's a very powerful gun, easy to reload. You'd have to be pretty good at firing from the hip, not being able to aim, because if you can see, the aiming system isn't all that good. You gotta be able to just pull it out and shoot it. So, all in all, the Nerf Maverick is a nice gun. Can hold 6 bullets at a time. Good hand grip, quickly reloading, and it's a good gun. Hope you get it. We're back at Idiot Planet, and we're gonna do another Nerf gun review. This time we're gonna be doing this Nerf gun. I'm not exactly sure what it's called, but one of the upsides is laser aiming. If you can see it right there on my hand. Not exactly the easiest gun to reload. You have to, once you shoot it, you have to put another one in. You pull back. The thing I would say about these darts is, if you have them in this gun, not all of them work well. That one did. This one, however, does not. Laser aiming isn't always very good because you can move it up and down, and sometimes it just gets bumped, but other times it's fine. It's got some, it fires pretty well. Another gun that you might have to be able to fire without aiming. It's not that well. All in all, I would say this gun was not built for close encounters. I'd say maybe encounters where you would be able to be about here. Let's see if you can be about here and be able to shoot over to about the bar, because first of all, if you find a bullet that doesn't work and you're close up, you're gonna have to be able to throw it out real quickly. But if you and your friends just like 2-on-2, not real close, then I would recommend this gun. But if you're playing sniping wars and close counters, spying, I would not recommend this gun. So, depending on what kind of fighting you do. What's up? We're back at Idiot Planet, except this time we're going to do another Nerf gun review on the Nerf long shot. Very nice gun. Scope. It's got an aiming system. You can see. There you go. Another nice thing about the long shot is it's got this. You might say, well, yeah, it's a Nerf gun, but watch this. The long shot comes put together like this, and you lock it on, makes the barrel longer, and this in itself is a gun. Let's see if you can see it. Pretty nice gun. This specific gun only fires these bullets. This front one does not always fire these bullets. It sometimes does. It normally fires crumpled up ones. If you just crumple it a little. We're going to show you how far. And this gun's also very well because it takes clips. And on the back here, this is adjustable depending on how tall you are. It's got an extra clip, but will fire. It's gun, and this is how you reload. Simply. It was a little hard to see, but it's, let's see, where is it? Here it is, okay. Yeah, the thing about this gun is you might not want to use it as much unless you have a backup gun such as the Nerf Maverick, very nice gun. Or if you have teammates, because this particular gun tends to get jammed up a lot. But if you're one of those guys who provides sniper support, I would suggest you get a friend to cover you, and you also carry, especially a Maverick for this. They're easy to reload if you run dry on ammo for this gun. And all in all, another nice gun. If you're one of those sniping people, hope you get it.